Load your family into the 2019 Honda HR-V. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front fog lights, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.